Now we can discuss our next topic, that is called classification of elements and periodicity in properties. See how elements are classified in periodic table. So we can classify elements into four blocks. They are S, P, D and F. So in the S block, group 1 and 2, then the P block 13 to 18, D block 3 to 12, and F block comes under group number 3. Next, elements, first here hydrogen, here helium, first period. Second period elements, lithium, beryllium, lithium, sodium, then potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Next, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 5 plus 8, 13. Al, 13. Silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. Magnesium, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. And here 4F series, 5F series, lanthanoids and actinoids. Like this we can classify elements. But in this last unit we will study about properties of S block elements and properties of few P block elements. Because in first year group number 13, 14 given, and second year syllabus 15 to 18. 15 to 18. But this is already covered, but only this part left. S and P block, that is P block 13, 14. And at the end, this last unit, I will explain about these two. Next, main important here in this topic, periodicity in properties. And that can be studied, yes, based on the radii, ionization energy, etc. But the nomenclature of elements, atomic number more than 100. Up to 100 we can give name direct, like hydrogen, calcium, strontium, etc. If atomic number 100 is given, 100, 101, very simple. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And for 0, nil, un, by, tri, quad, and hex, sept, oct, n. Use these prefixes. And suffix that is last is IUM. IUM. Okay. For 100, see here, un, nil, nil, IUM. 101, un, nil, unnium. 102, un, nil, bium. 104, Unilquadium. Like this we can give IUPAC names. See, there are some questions on this method appeared in recent paper. There is in 2019 regarding ionization enthalpies, right? And first I will tell you about the ionization enthalpies, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity, and radius. Okay, these are most common properties in the periodic table. See about the radius down the group. Down the group. Then left to right. Down the group size increases and left to right size decreases. See the meaning. Why down the group size increase? Like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium. Because electron enters in the new cells. And electron means valence electron away from the nucleus. Therefore, size of the atom increases, and radius, any type of radius, it may be atomic radius, ionic radius, covalent radius, van der Waals radius. In all the cases, we can say down the group increases because electron enter in the new cell. Next, left to right or along the period. Example: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, etc. Left to right, they differ by 1 unit. Next. Here, see why size decreases. Orbit number cell electric orbit number second 2s2 2p6. Orbit number second is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Electron enter the same cell. If electron enter the same cell, then effective nuclear charge increases. Effective nuclear charge increases, and hence size contraction occur. Therefore, along the period, size or radius decreases. Down the group increases. Okay. And van der Waals radius highest, covalent radius minimum, and it's least. Van der Waals radius greater than, metallic radius greater than covalent radius. First van der Waals, second metallic, and last covalent. Minimum covalent, maximum van der Waals. This is regarding radius, any type of radius, down the group and left to right, you have to remember. Because of here, increase in effective nuclear charge. And here, electron enters in the new cell down the group. Next, ionization energy or ionization potential. Now see here, lithium, sodium 311, beryllium 4, magnesium 12, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, 1s2, 2s1, 1s2, 2s2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. You can compare beryllium and nitrogen, lithium, boron, yes, even carbon. And see what is meant by ionization energy. Energy required to remove the electron. Energy required to remove outermost electron from the isolated gaseous atom, and which can form cation. That is said to be ionization energy. But here you have to say energy required means you have to apply energy to the atom to remove electron. But in which case energy required is less. If size of atom is more, ionization energy less. Therefore, sodium lithium, when you compare, a size of this one is smaller, this one is larger. Therefore, ionization energy of sodium less and lithium more. Next, similarly, for beryllium and nitrogen, completely filled orbital and here half filled orbital. Completely filled orbitals and half filled orbitals, they are more stable. Hence, removal of electron difficult. Anyway, which is having high energy? Yes, answer 7 or 4. Answer 7, because here number of protons are more and size again less. If size decreases, then ionization energy increases. Therefore, ionization energy of N is greater than B. But both are having higher value compared to boron and carbon. Boron and carbon. Like this, you can study in case of ionization energy. And same type, electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity. Electron gain enthalpy, electron affinity. Cl can gain electron. 17 plus 1 electron gives Cl plus 18 electrons. If electron added, means electronegative elements such as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, oxygen, nitrogen, and all these elements, they have tendency to receive electrons. When electron added, then they become negatively charged. They become negatively charged. Now it is called negative electron gain enthalpy. We also said to be delta EGH. Means electron gain enthalpy may be negative or positive. In some cases, O minus electron gain enthalpy negative, O minus electron gain enthalpy positive. For second electron gain enthalpy positive. Means electron gain enthalpy may be positive or negative, whereas ionization energy always positive, and it is always positive, but it may be negative or positive. Then hence we can define electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy as enthalpy change when electron is added to isolated neutral gaseous atom. But here electron added, you have to say electron is added, and energy may be released or energy may be absorbed. But here compulsorily you have to indicate energy required. Here your enthalpy change may be positive or negative. Then you have to say enthalpy change. Next, about trends in the periodic table, down the group and left to right, what happens? In ionization energy, down the group decrease, left to right means end of the period increase, because size decrease, ionization energy increase, size increase, ionization energy decrease. Same type of electron affinity along the period, electron negativity increases here. Hence, what electron gain enthalpy also increases. But noble gases, helium, neon, krypton, xenon, they are all having a positive electron gain enthalpy. It's highest what electron gain enthalpy for, but it should be positive, not negative. Next, down the group electron gain enthalpy what decreases since size increases, electron gain enthalpy decreases. Radius and this one, and electronegativity H dash Cl O dash H SO2 SO2 S dash O H dash Cl. But electronegativity elements and their values, highest value 4, least value 0.7. The power of an atom in a polar molecule to attract shared pair of electrons towards itself, that is called electronegativity. Therefore, it can attract shared pair of itself and minus, this is plus. Means this is said to be more electronegative. Okay. Most electronegative element fluorine and least cesium. Least one, see, that is in group 1 cesium. Again, down the group, electronegativity value decreases, like fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. But in case of electron gain enthalpy, highest value for Cl, not F. electronegativity, F is highest, and electron gain enthalpy, Cl is highest. Cl, F, Bri in case of electron gain enthalpy. Electronegativity, FCl, Bri. So this is in case of electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity, etc. But actually this topic is very simple because it is covered in many topics, very repetition is there based on this in S block, P block, D block, F block, complete inorganic chemistry is there. We repeated this part in previous periods. Now again some questions we can solve. Recent year papers, 2019 paper. Take example, ionization energy, question number 99, last question, 99. One more I want to say regarding the pollution topic, last topic in the unit, pollution topic, or there is a environmental chemistry, that topic actually written pollution in short, but is environmental chemistry. And that topic you studied in even high school, in Hindi or in social study, science, etc. But there is a general topic like acid rain, water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, etc. And regarding what acid rain, so during raining, whatever we collect the water, its pH found to be 5.6. Rain water pH is 5.6. If it is less than 5.6, maybe 3.2, etc. pH number, then the water is said to be what? Acid rain. That rain is said to be acid rain. But normal pH of the rain water equal to 5.6. Okay. So this type of general points are given in pollution topic, right? Pollution topic, and that you can read any book and apply that knowledge and get the answers. All are simple questions. Otherwise, refer only NCERT book and those questions we can answer. But here few questions are there based on the electron gain enthalpy, ionization energy, etc. And those we can solve. You have given size of the atoms. Question number 99. Elements are given like this: phosphorus, silicon, nitrogen, carbon. Yes, 4 elements are given, and you have to arrange those in the correct order. First ionization enthalpy of the elements in the order, because they are here not given in a particular order, maybe increasing, decreasing, but write any one order. But it is regarding ionization energy. Yes, to study this one better, you write atomic numbers 15, 14, 7, 6. Then 6, 7 in second period, 14, 15 in third period. 6, 7, 14, 15. Second period, third period. Down the group, size increase. If size increase, ionization energy decrease. Therefore, among the two, less ionization energy, 14. Because as the proton number increases, size decreases, ionization energy increases. Therefore, atomic number 15 and 14. Ionization energy of silicon less than ionization energy of phosphorus. Okay, we decided these two. Similarly, we decided this. Ionization energy of N greater than ionization energy of C. Because in case of 7, 1s to 2s to 2p3, half filled, partially filled. Half filled atom, they are here, but even though 6 first, 7 afterwards. Greater. And here n is a half filled, then it is greater than this. But among these, highest value, what? 7. Therefore, highest n then least SI, then N is greater than C greater than P, because C here, C in second period and third period what P. Therefore, ionization energy of C greater than P, correct? But P greater than N. Yes. So this type of decide in case of ionization energies. Silicon less than, silicon less than phosphorus, phosphorus less than phosphorus greater than silicon, correct? Carbon greater than P, correct? N greater than C, right? But in option 3 they give Si less than P, less than C, less than N. But I thought like this, both are same. Okay, this is based on the ionization energy. Next, one more question, ionization enthalpy. Same method we follow to answer question number 96. Answer is 4. Next, question number about size 89. Question number 89 about size. Cationic size smaller, anionic size larger. Then if cation size means cation contain more plus, size is small. Anion contain more minus, size is large. But in general, anionic size is more than what cationic size. Cation and neutral atom, when you compare, cation smaller than neutral atom. Next, anion and neutral atom, when you compare, anion and neutral atom. Anion greater than neutral. But in case of cation and neutral greater than cation. So this type you have to remember. To solve such questions, there is an example, question number 89. Question number 89. Question number 89. They gave Na plus Mg2 plus F minus O2 minus. Yes. 4 ions are given. Increasing ionic radii. They asked here, increasing ionic radii. How to write? Now I told negative charged, more size, positive charge, less size. So these two have less size, these two have more size. And increasing order, lowest to highest. And among these two, low. But Mg plus 2 lowest. Next, O2 minus F minus. O2 minus highest, therefore. Yes, answer. First, Mg2 plus less than Na plus less than F minus less than 2 minus O2 minus. Yes, this type we can study in case of size. And I told electronic gain enthalpies. A ClFbRi, electronegativity, least electronegative element cesium and highest fluorine. And apply this knowledge and read synopsis note given and NCERT books or your notes, regular notes, and read 3-4 times that only notes enough or NCERT book, and you can answer all the questions whatever given in the question bank. They are not difficult questions, you can solve all the questions, and wherever necessary those questions I covered, and you read synopsis note and textbooks, then you can get answers. So this is about unit number 16, and next unit number 17, 18, they are also very simple. Redox reaction and hydrogen 1 unit, and S and P block 1 unit. It's easy topics I kept last, okay, and those topics I will cover in the next videos.